Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video on my channel or whatever. Listen, on today's video, as you can tell by the description, by the title, I'm gonna show you how to make your fake lashes, your falsies, look natural. Yes, I said it. Look natural. Look at them. Look at them. You see this? Do you see this? Because I see it and it looks good, doesn't it? Look, can you see it like this? Because I can't tell. My eyes are closed. But honestly, this is like a life hack for the gods. It's for the gods, I'm telling you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me, of course. If you like this makeup look, as always, I'm wearing my everyday natural look. That is my first video I posted on my channel. If you want to check it out, please do. I'm gonna put it in the card up below somewhere here. I don't know. Definitely check it out. It's one of my favorite videos, in all honesty. Without any further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so I'm starting off with the wispy lashes from the brand Kiss. I actually got this at Walmart, and right now they're my favorite lashes. So you can just get your favorite lashes and try it with them. I prefer wispy because they just look more natural rather than any other kind. So what you're gonna do is take them out of the little container, and the trick is to cut your lashes in small pieces, because you see here, like, let me see if I can show you. See where they like kind of divide right there? So that's where you would cut. If you cut bigger pieces, like let's say you want to cut your lashes into 4 pieces, they're just gonna, it's not gonna look as good as if you would cut them into smaller pieces. You can also take the, you know those lashes that come in separate pieces? You can also use those, but I prefer to use these because they just, the lashes, it just looks, you see how it looks though? Like it goes from small to larger. I don't know. I just prefer this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these small little scissors right here. I call these brow scissors because that's what I use on my brows. When you're cutting them, make sure that you separate them, put them in order, or else it's all gonna look messed up when you put them on your lash line. And you want to cut as close as you can to where the hair is glued on. So basically wherever there's a larger space, that's where you would cut. This is gonna take a little longer than putting on regular lashes, obviously, but trust me, it looks so good. The bigger you cut them, the harder it is for you to glue them on, because I've tried that before where I cut them into just like 4 pieces. I did it like that on one eye, and then I did it the way I'm doing it now on the other eye. And the one with the multiple pieces, which is the smaller pieces, looked so much better, and it's actually stayed on. The one with the bigger pieces ended up coming off throughout the night. Now that you cut them, I cut mine into 8 pieces, and then you're just gonna take your favorite lash glue. I'm using this tiny one that I got from the dollar store. Honestly, I really love it, so don't come at me. You're gonna take your favorite lash glue, and you're gonna take your tweezers, or I have this little thingy right here that I use to apply my lashes. It makes my life so much easier. I don't know how girls can put it on with their fingers. Like that's like magic to me. I've tried so many times, and every time I let go, the lash is like glued on to my fingers. It makes me so mad. I honestly, before this, I could never, for the life of me, put on lashes. I would watch endless videos of girls teaching you how to put on lashes, and I'm like, all right, I got this. And for some reason, it was the most difficult thing on the planet to put on. And just like one day I put it on somebody else, and that was it. Like, it's crazy. And I didn't keep practicing, but if you practice, if you have patience like I don't, to wait for this thing to dry, well, not dry but get tacky, oh my god, I have to count, or else I like want to put it on and it's not tacky enough, it won't stick. When I do mine, I like to start from the end and then put, like, you go from the end of the lash line to the beginning of the lash line. I just feel like that works best for me rather than starting from the beginning. So you're just gonna take your favorite lash glue, you're gonna put it on the edge here. I like to put a little bit extra since they are being put on separately. I feel like it just holds on better. So you just let that get a little tacky. You just place it and you leave it, because if you touch it, it's gonna come off. Okay, I'm not gonna touch it, I'm not gonna touch it, I'm not gonna touch it. Okay, look. Okay, now we're gonna go to our other one. Make sure you keep these in order, because if you mess them up, I'm not even gonna begin to tell you. So you should probably put them closer, not like on top of each other, obviously, because that's not necessary. But put them as close as you can to each other. Wow, it looks cute, right? Doesn't it look natural though? Like, look. Wow. I'm gonna continue putting them on. This is like so much more time consuming than it would be if I just put on regular lashes. I did try though putting the full lash underneath my lashes, and for me personally it did not work. Maybe it'll work for you if you want to try that, but for me it honestly it didn't work. It like fell off. It just, for some reason, it will not stay on. But this way really works for me. Okay. It gets a little trickier when you put it in the inner corners of your eye. It's a weird position to be in when you're trying to lift up your eye, because I have my eyelids just, they droop. See what I mean? If I go like this, they droop. I can't. So if you have wider eyes than me, or whatever it's called, this would probably be way easier for you. For me, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Almost done. This is the last lash. I'm telling you, hold on. If you're doing this for the first time, it will be a little tricky to get down. But once you do it the first time, the second time is super easy. Just look at how they end up looking. Look at this. It just looks a lot more natural. Can you even see that? As it would if you put it up here. See what I mean? But I'm gonna do the other one and I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. Alright, so this is a finished look. Look at them. I did this one on camera and then I did this one off camera. How freaking natural do these look though? Like, can you even see that? Oh my god! If this is like the first time you're doing this and you've never worn lashes, or you barely ever wear them, they're gonna feel a little weird. But if you wear lashes like on like a daily basis, or you wear them a lot, this is gonna be, you won't even feel them. Because I don't wear lashes every day. I wear them very rarely, and I can't even feel them right now. Obviously when I put them on the first time, they felt a little weird, but I can't feel them. They don't feel heavy. I don't know if it's just the brand that I'm using, but honestly, I love it. You're gonna love it. Try it. Tell me what you think, because it's gonna be amazing. I'm telling you, it is a little time consuming, but once you get the first eye done, the second eye takes like 5 minutes max. Honestly, do it. Do it. Do it. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, or whatever. And I'll catch you next time. Bye.